train hard, you push through your limits, but what if I told you that one simple mistake could be holding you back and even setting you up for injury? It's not about how high you can kick or how fast you can move. It's about how well you prepare your body before and after training. Hi, I'm Dr. Jason Hahn, 7-time U.S. National Taekwondo Team member, board-certified sports clinical specialist, and someone who has trained, competed, and recovered at the highest levels of this sport. Over the years, I've worked with elite athletes, Olympians, and professional sports teams, and I've seen one pattern over and over. The athletes who take warm-ups and recovery seriously, they last longer, they train harder, and they perform better. And yet, so many Taekwondo practitioners still skip or rush through these essential steps. Did you know that studies show a proper warm-up can reduce injury risk by up to 79%? That means nearly 8 out of 10 preventable injuries happen because athletes don't prepare their bodies correctly. A proper warm-up prepares your muscles, your joints, and your nervous system for the explosive movements of Taekwondo. They reduce injury risk, and they improve your overall performance. And when you cool down properly, you recover faster, you prevent soreness, and you improve your flexibility. So you're ready for the next session. Most athletes think stretching before training is enough. It's not. Here's what your warm-up should look like. Light cardio. Jump rope or jogging for 3 to 5 minutes to raise your heart rate. Dynamic stretching. Leg swings, lunges, hip circles, and ankle rotations to improve your mobility. Movement preparation, multi-directional lunges, lateral shuffles, controlled plyometrics to prep your body for Taekwondo's demands. Practice-specific activation. Tailor your warm-up to your session. Sparring, focus on agility. Pumse, work on precision and controlled mobility. Neglecting your cool down is like slamming on the brakes without easing off the gas. You are setting yourself up for stiffness, soreness, and even injury. A proper cool down includes gradual reduction of intensity, slow jogging or walking for 3 to 5 minutes, static stretching, holding stretches for 20 to 30 seconds, focusing on your hamstrings, quads, calves, hips, and your lower back, foam rolling, releasing muscle tightness in key areas like your calves, quads, and glutes. This simple routine keeps you mobile, reduces tension, and prevents injuries before they happen. But injury prevention doesn't stop with warming up and cooling down. If your body isn't strong enough to handle Taekwondo's demands, you are at risk. To be explosive, powerful, and injury resistant, you need strength across all planes of motion. We need to strengthen your lower body. We need to build powerful kicks and stable landings with squats, lunges, and deadlifts. We need to build core strength. Stability is everything. Strengthen your abdominals, your obliques, and your lower back. Strengthen your upper body. Balance your posture, protect your shoulders, and improve overall strength. And here's the secret. You must earn the right to rotate. Taekwondo is full of spinning kicks and rotational power. But if you don't have a strong foundation in basic movement patterns, you're setting yourself up for knee, hip, and back injuries. You want to master squats, lunges, and lateral movements first. Then add in rotational-based exercises like med ball twists and cable rotations. Here is the solution. Train smarter, not just harder. That is why I created Kick Strong, Train Safe, the ultimate guide to injury prevention in Taekwondo. Inside this free ebook, you will learn the perfect warm-up and cool-down routine for peak performance, the strength and conditioning program every Taekwondo athlete needs, how to prevent injuries before they happen so you can keep training for years to come. If you want to train harder, recover faster, and stay injury-free, download Kick Strong, Train Safe now because, like I said, it's completely free. Your future in Taekwondo depends on how well you take care of your body. Let's make sure you stay strong, healthy, and ready for every fight. Hey, if you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification for our latest tips coming to you every week. Share this video with your family and friends. It might just make their day a little bit better. I'll see you soon.